A community member named Leaf recently shared a super clever solution for sliding EMT conduit. He's incorporating the hack into a flight simulator, but I think it'll be useful for a lot of different projects. So today, I'm going to show you how to recreate it with all off-the-shelf hardware. Now, this isn't the first time we've talked about linear motion and conduit on the channel. We have a whole video dedicated to these trolley wheels made for Unistrut. We adapted this top mounting point to conduit using a MakerPipe connector, and they have these two wheels that fit really nicely on 3/4 inch EMT and allow you to create a drawer or something like that. We titled that video "The Most Expensive Drawer" because these are $20 each and you need at least 6 of them to create a simple drawer, which adds up really quickly and may not make sense depending on your budget and build. This solution, however, is a lot cheaper, made up of simple hardware, and works really well. So what exactly do you need to recreate it? The most important thing, of course, are the drawer slides. You can get these at Home Depot or Lowe's. They have a ton of different options. I was really surprised at all the different things that they had. They have different links that you can get. They have different features. This one is like the soft close option, which has the spring-loaded bump stop, which basically keeps the drawer from slamming. You might have those in your kitchen or something like that. And these are normally used, like I said, in cabinets, in kitchens, and different things. They have a flat side, which is made to secure to a flat surface like wood or something like that. They have tabs and pre-drilled holes that you secure the slides to the material of choice. What Leaf has done is he's got some of the off-the-shelf hanger straps for conduit. As you can see here, we've talked about these quite a bit on the channel. They basically clamp around conduit, and they have a nut and bolt that's included that you basically just tighten and they cinch down on the conduit. And they have this flat side with a mounting point that you can use to secure conduit to a material or vice versa. And so what Leaf has done is he's used the hanger straps in this flat side to secure the drawer slides to his conduit frame. And something that you want to be careful and watch out for that I didn't really think about, I went and got some hex bolts from the hardware store, and when I tried them out on the frame, the slide was bumping into the hex head, as you can see here on this tab. Well, I don't have it on here, I changed it out, but it was sticking up right here on this tab, and the slider was bumping into it. So I asked Leaf what he used. He got back to me, which I really appreciate. And he got these number 10 by 24 by 1/2 inch machine screws, and then the 1024 nylon lock nuts. So that's the hardware you need. It works great. Not only does it prevent the slide from bumping into it, but since they're only a 1/2 inch in length, they don't really interfere or kind of hit the conduit, as you can see inside here, once it's fully secured. So that's the hardware you want to make sure you get. And you'll notice here that I have 4 hanger straps per side. 2 of them are attached to this outer part of the slider, and then 2 are attached to the inner part of the slider. And I only have 2 attached, but the longer you get with these slides, the more mounting points you have, and you could always add more to make it more secure and more strong. And that actually brings up a good point. I wanted to point out that I think this is the weakest orientation that you could have this in, because you're relying on the hanger straps. And if you put a bunch of weight on top, the hanger strap's going to cause the whole slider mechanism to just rotate around the pipe. So what I would do, if you need something really strong, is I would add a vertical pipe to your build and then attach the hanger strap like this on the vertical pipe, and really doesn't change or affect the flat side here. So then you could have the vertical pipe and this secured that way, and then have your slider attached just like normal, and that'll create a really strong solution. Whereas this, I think, would be best for like a keyboard slider or something. It's not going to have a lot of weight on top of it, but this is really cool. Huge shout out to Leah for sharing this solution in the community. We really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.